Hi, I'm Dr. Bloom. Welcome to Revive. I'm going to give you a brief office tour today. Come with me. We're going to start in the exam room. This is where we do our new patient evaluations and we also take x-rays. Come on in. This is our state-of-the-art digital x-ray machine. It's wonderful for evaluating people's structures and seeing the underlying conditions that might be occurring. Next, we're going to go into our rehab room. This is where we have our cold laser that helps decrease inflammation and accelerate healing in people. This is where we also go over all of our rehab exercises and some of our stretches with patients as well. Next, these are our massage rooms. You can see that they're very spacious. We have very comfortable tables and all the equipment you need for your therapeutic massage session. And there's 2 of these rooms. Next, we're going to go back out to the treatment area. This is back by the front desk. We also have an array of products in our display case and air filters in every room in the clinic. Welcome to the treatment area. We've got 2 different stations. I'm going to show you this one over here. So each station has an adjusting table and a traction table on each side. So when patients come in, we adjust them on one side, and then after your treatment, we put you on the roller table for just a few minutes. We serve West Linn, Lake Oswego, Oregon City, Gladstone, all the way out to Molalla and Canby. And we're just off the 205, off the 10th Street exit in West Linn, so we're really convenient for people just commuting to and from Portland. So come pay us a visit.